Hey everybody, it's Elizabeth again, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between filing a green card in the United States and filing a green card outside of the United States. The process is very different. So people would say, I want to file for my wife who lives in Barbados, who lives in Belize, who lives in Liberia, or I want to file for my wife. She's coming to the US and I want to be able to, or I met her in the US and I want to be able to file for her. So the process of getting a green card in the US is called adjustment of status. The process of getting a green card overseas is called consular processing. So what is the difference between adjustment of status and consular processing? Simple. Adjustment of status, you're filing everything for the person who resides in the United States. So the foreign spouse must come in on a valid visa, must have a petitioner who is maybe by marriage or by employment. The petitioner can file an application, adjustment of status, green card, work authorization for the foreign person. If it's based on marriage, then it will be for the foreign spouse. If it's based on employment, it would be the employee of the company. So that's adjustment of status. Consular processing means that the person is filing for the petitioner, who is typically the United States citizen, or the company is filing for somebody who is overseas. So if it's based on marriage, there's a 3-step process. 1, you file with USCIS. Once that application is approved, then you go ahead and file with the National Visa Center through the Department of State. Once that process is completed, then you go to the U.S. Embassy, get medicals, provide additional documents that the embassy is requesting. Sometimes the requirements for each embassy may differ. So the embassy in Jamaica may be asking for things that are maybe different from an embassy, say, maybe in Africa. So just kind of be cognizant of that. The website to go for the first step would be USCIS. The second step would be the Department of State. It's cac.nvc.org or something to that effect. And then the third step would be the U.S. Embassy, where the person would be going to for the interview. So that's generally the difference between adjustment of status, which is just filing one application with USCIS, versus consular processing, which is like a 3-step process. I hope this clarifies things. If you have any questions, don't forget to send us an email. Call us 443-352-3201. I will see you on the next video. Make it a great day. Bye.